আসসালামু আলাইকুম। বৈশ্বিক করোনা পরিস্থিতিতে সবাই সচেতন হই, সুস্থ থাকি। একান্ত প্রয়োজন না হলে আমরা কেউ বাইরে যাব না। ঢাকা জেলার নবাবগঞ্জ উপজেলাধীন খানিপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের সকল শিক্ষার্থী, সম্মানিত অভিভাবক ও সংশ্লিষ্ট সকলকে শ্রেণী পাঠদানের বিকল্প অনলাইন ক্লাসে স্বাগতম জানাচ্ছি। আমাদের সকলের সম্মিলিত প্রচেষ্টায় আমরা এগিয়ে যাব এবং নির্ধারিত লক্ষ্যে পৌঁছে যাব ইনশাআল্লাহ। আসুন সবাই অংশ নেই খানিপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের অনলাইন ক্লাসে। ধন্যবাদ।
Hi students, how are you today? I think you all are well by the grace of Allah. Now, welcome to my today's class. I am your English teacher Muzaffar Ahmed. Especially, I will face with you for up to class 6 to 10, but now for 8 to 10. Here some pictures for you. Can you guess what is this? Okay, it's a map of Bangladesh. Good. Here also another map identifying the 11th sector of our liberation war. During our liberation war, whole Bangladesh separated with 11 sectors. This is the sectors identified here in this map. Here, Dhaka, Kumilla, Noakhali, Dinajpur, Sylhet, Chattogram, Khulna, Borishal, and at the southeast, Bangoposagar. This is our identity. This is our identity. That means with this map we acquainted with us with all the world, all over the world. Dear students, here also some pictures. Can you tell me what the pictures about? Map, okay, different countries, and there also different countries' national flag. A national flag is the identity of a nation. Every nation has a national flag of its own. A national flag symbolizes the sovereignty of a country, the familiarity of the country of a country, nation's identity, and everything bears a national flag. There are different countries' national flag. So here the very national flag bear the identity of Asia. In Asia, there are different countries and their national flag is here. Can you know where is our Bangladesh's flag? Okay, at first set up our Bangladeshi flag. So, you can understand what I am going to discuss with you. Our today's lesson is a paragraph about our national flag. It is very important for us to know about this flag, why we honor, why we pay honor to our national flag, why we use national flag, etc. We know everything about this. After learning this, you will be able to know the measurement of our national flag, the time to keep the flag half-mast, what the green and red color symbolizes, the significance of our national flag. You will be able to know about these very 4 matters. National flag is the symbol of independence and sovereignty of a free country. Every free country has a national flag. A national flag bears the constitution of a country, popular sovereignty, etc., etc. This is the map, and here the popular sovereignty. Every free nation of the world has its own national flag. Like others, we have a national flag. This is our national flag. As Bangladesh is an independent and sovereign country, she has also a national flag of its own. It is our own national flag. Bangladesh got this national flag on December 16, 1971, after a 9-month-long valiant struggle of our heroic freedom fighters. We all know, everybody, we enjoy Victory Day of 16 December, and then we discuss about the 9-month heroic struggle of our freedom fighters. Many fighters paid down their lives, laid down their lives. Many women lost their honorable child, and so we all times remember this. The flag is here, gap, you can gaze here. The flag is rectangular. Here, rectangular in size. The flag is rectangular in size, having a proportion of 10:6. Our national flag has an area of 10:6. If the flag is, its length is 10, width will be 6. And if your flag is length with 5, then your length will be, width will be 3. This way we design our national flag. There are two colors. Here a gap. There are two colors in our national flag. They are, can you guess what they are? They are green and red, or red and green. Green color stands for everlasting vigor, youth, freshness, and also vigor. It also symbolizes the green field of Bangladesh. It also symbolizes the green field of Bangladesh. Okay? Here, in the middle of the flag, there is a red circle. There is the area of a red circle. The radius of the circle is 1/5 of the length in our national flag. Every national flag has a radius, red circle. Here is the design. If your flag length at 10, then your width must be 6 feet. And if you 5, then it will be 3 with width. Look, the deep red color symbolizes the rising sun of independence. It also symbolizes the new hope and aspiration for the nation. It also stands for the bloody struggle of the heroic sons of the nation. I read again. The deep red color symbolizes the rising sun of independence. It also symbolizes the new hope and aspiration for the nation. It also stands for the bloody struggle of the heroic sons of the nation. Okay. Now, the flag is hoisted every day on the top of government building, educational institution and offices. You know, every day in our school also hoisted national flag. Every educational institution or every government offices hoisted this flag. It is hoisted everywhere on the Independence Day and the Victory Day. Independence Day and Victory Day, and we also know another day before Morning Day, Shahid Day, and especially Birth Day, and many other days for us to hoist our national flag nationally. Here's an idea about half mast and full hoisting. In Bangla, পতাকা অর্ধনমিত রাখার ক্ষেত্রে প্রথমত পতাকা দণ্ডের শীর্ষস্থান পর্যন্ত উঠাতে হবে, তারপর ওই পতাকার এক প্রস্থ পরিমাণ নিচে নামাতে হবে। You can know, you learn about our school every mother language day we hoist our national flag full and then get down. Firstly hoist full and then get down for half mast. Besides, it is also hoisted half mast on national and international morning day. Whenever we see our national flag flying, our mind filled with joy, we feel proud of our national flag. We will try our best to uphold the dignity of our national flag at any cost. Like this picture here, if we saw at any time, if any time we see our national flag hoisted, our mind especially enjoy vigorously, and our mind also fly with the flag. Now, write down the point. What is the measurement of our national flag? What is the radius of the red circle? Where is it hoisted? When is the national flag kept half mast? This very point is very important for you to write down a paragraph on national flag. Write down this note on your khata. And then if you have a group, you can do this activity. What does the green color symbolize? What does the red color symbolize? You also write down this with previous slide. Now, dear students, in the meantime, we have learned about our national flag with slides, different slides, pictures and writings. And I also help you to understand the slide. Now, I will give you a homework. Here clearly answering the following questions. Write a paragraph about our national flag. For this, I will give you some questions. Please write down with your previous slide. What is our national flag? What does it symbolize? What do the colors indicate? Where is it hoisted? When is the national flag kept half-mast? How do we feel our national flag? How can we uphold its dignity? There are various questions. It will help you to write down your paragraph. And also, you can take help from our previous slide. That will help to make your paragraph very fruitfully. Now, dear students, I think you enjoyed this class for our national flag, because national flag is our identity. It symbolizes our sovereignty, our real feature of our nation. So, thank you very much, dear students. I hope you will keep home, you will stay home with your parents and make social distance when you go outside your home and use your mask. And at home you will enjoy your YouTube channel. Thank you very much, dear students. You are welcome.